Hello guys and welcome back to yet another edition of Lucky Tuesday. Yesterday, my banker 74 turned to 47, denying us of a too sure on the WhatsApp side. The plan we are following that I said you should chat me with on if you don't have the continuity, it supplied us 36. We played it with 47 and 32. So we played it with 74 and it played 47 and 36, denying us of a 2 direct for Monday special. Let's pray for better luck today. But in case it's the first time you are seeing this channel, please don't forget to like this video for me. I'm still yet to meet up with 1000 likes that I need to scale through this week. So please like this video for me. Let me know your opinion, and if you've been coming to watch, please subscribe. That being said, let's dive straight into a second time working plan on Lucky G's board for Lucky G. First time this is setting is in the year 2017. At event number 544, 67 will play in fourth ball machine. Play with double 4 in winning. Second time setting on board at event 946. 67 in position. Fourth ball machine to play with 44 to winning. After these two numbers play, 1, 2, 3, 4. It played 85 and 17 to machine. Take note. From 67, 1, 2, 3, 4, 85 and 17 played to machine, not in position. So, to me, that doesn't count. So, from 67, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 weeks down, 77 will play in center ball machine. That's this game should go plus 10. The following week, 44 in winning will lap it to center ball machine. After 67, let's count from 67 here again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 weeks down, 67 should go plus 10 and 44 the following week to lap it, set this lapping on board. After setting this game, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 weeks down. 49 play 14 close in position. That's first ball machine, second ball machine. On the current, from this lapping, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 weeks down. What do you to expect? 49 will play with 14 close. 49 will play 14 close. After he plays with 14 close, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Single 8 will play second ball machine 6 weeks down. On the current, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Single 8 to maintain position. After single 8 maintain position, single 2 should shadow to position again in machine. After single 8 in position, the following week, single 2 to shadow, that is single 8 to shadow to position. Now, 44 and 47 to supply 55 to play with it. 44 supplied 55, 77 also supplied 55. It said they should both play in machine. 55 and single two should maintain position. The moment they land here, 55 that was being supplied to us by 44 and 77 to machine should pull out immediately, serve as one banker. That's to say, this 55 in machine should pull out immediately. Now, to play with 55 to play with single one. What supplied this single one for us? 55 in machine will prove single one to us would come out. Single 8 in position. Single 8 in position that supplied single 2 to position is also supplying single 1. Secondly, thirdly, observe this place. Before this game's play to position, 1, 2, 3 weeks, single 1 to winning. Before 49-14 in position, 1, 2, 3 weeks, single 1 to play, single 1 should jump. It's supplying us a life 2. 55 single 1, 14 in position would counter down. Play 59. This is my event to watch out for, and I'm with just one line to direct. It is called to direct for a reason. 55 single 1. Thank you for coming to watch this video. Please, if you find value in this content or you see I missed something, please put it in the comment section. I'm not an island of knowledge, and I believe nobody is an island of knowledge, but please put it in the comment section. Most importantly, we have a challenge. Please like this video for me. We need 1,000 like on one video. We were that close the day before yesterday. Yesterday we were not close at all. Please like this video for me. Help me hit 1,000 likes today. Thank you for coming to watch this video. Do enjoy the rest of your day, and see you on the WhatsApp side today again. Please note, I don't have a group. I do WhatsApp chats only. When you win, you reward. You don't have to pay to get in and then use your money to stake lotto. Then when you win, you reward me again. I don't think it is normal. So what we do is just chat me up if you are interested. I'll send you my games. When we win, then you reward. Thank you for coming to watch this video again. Do enjoy the rest of your day.